Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today's video is a quick one highlighting an AI platform that enables you to generate worksheet instantly for any subject and topic. So you can see here on the screen, this platform is known as getWorksheets. It's very simple. There is no login ID required. You can create unlimited worksheets here. So just you need to type your topic and you're great. So I'm going to write a topic here. I wrote nanotechnology in medicine. I'm going to select the grade for 12 and I'm entering the number of questions, let's say 20, and I'm going to click generate. So you can see here the worksheet has been generated with 20 question multiple choice, and you can download as PDF or you just simply select it and copy paste. This is really amazing, very simple and entirely free. You can also browse free printable worksheets. Let's say click here and you can see, so you can access some ready-made worksheet here without any cost. Please try and share your experience in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.